Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is December 4th, 2025, and this is a quick market trade review more so than anything. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to these charts and see what we see right quick. And first of all, I'm looking at a daily, hourly, and my 5-minute chart. And you always, since most of us, well, people who watch me, you mostly likely you're a trend trader, and you're looking to, and I'm a bullish trader. Since most people see I'm a bullish trader, and I get more excited once I see the market is at a bottom or near a bottom and ready to go up. That's when I start getting out there, scalping the market, swing trading the market, and trying to make my money then. I've learned to sit on my hands when the market is going down, and that's that. But I'm gonna show what I want to really show you here is how you need to be watching these multiple time frames. On this first time frame, on this daily time frame, what pattern did we get here, guys? And all right here. I think I had mentioned that in one of my other little short videos in the market review. We had a bullish harami, and we got confirmation right away of that bullish harami on this daily chart. So again, you knew it was off to the races. So this was last week and all. So boom, 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 boom. You got a point, and then you got a hammer at the top, and then you really wasn't sure. Then this is Monday, this little doji here. Today you got a little doji. So this was your kind of like rally, drop, rally, kind of like whole pattern that you got here, and this here kind of gave you a pullback and test. If you look at let me see if I can pull back this a little bit. This right here was a test of this level right here before, where we pulled back at, and you can see where the market kind of consolidated a little bit in here before it dropped. So it tested that, it came back to that once was resistance on this market trying to go back to the upside, ended up acting as a support when it did this little pullback. Get used to seeing these things in the market and all. So now that was Monday, Tuesday. So Wednesday, as soon as you saw this market gapped up, you was able to play it long again and play it to these tops and all. These are our most recent high, also near our all-time high, which I kind of expect us to break, if not today. We're real close, as you can see, maybe tomorrow or next week and all. And that's what I was kind of expecting it to be this month sometime, but I wasn't expecting it to be this early in the month. But the Russell has been full of surprises this year. But that's what you can see that on the big picture. Now, the intraday traded, you see some of the same patterns. Drop, rally, drop, rally. You see the same patterns. Get used to seeing this type of stuff. On the lower time frames, rally, drop, rally, same thing. That's why, again, it's all based on what time frame you like, how long you expect to stay in your position is where you're going to actually really play at. And that's all to this game. And then how you trade it is all, again, still based on your trading plans and your trading strategy. If you're selling something below, if you're selling something above, knowing expectation where to go on, or if you're just buying a long call, to actually play this thing to the upside, ever how you want to play it. But that's the picture. That's the things that you got to get where you get comfortable seeing. And the only indicators that I have on here are my pivots, above pivot, stay above pivot. Let me delete some of this stuff here. This is the beginning of the week. That was previous week and all. But here, this week, above pivot, I'm staying above pivot. This is a daily. Above pivot, these are weekly. These are weekly, and these are dailies. Again, here on the interest rate today, pivot, above pivot. Back over here, pivot, above pivot and all. This is why, again, it takes time to get to a point where you're comfortable with minimum indicators. You see some moving averages on here but they're not really that important. I really shouldn't even have them on here. But as you can see, all they're going to do is help you see what's already happening out there. That's the whole thing. That's the way I look at it. And especially overnight type stuff, they're useless. during the market day. They'll have you in and out of your trades too often. Again, if you don't have any real targets in the market, that's just my opinion. But that's what I see here, and that's what's been happening here in this market right now. And like I say, I'm looking now. I'm expecting all-time highs on the Russell and let's see if it can actually break out and start going even higher. But that's it. That's all I really want to share. Hope this has been helpful in some way or something. It's just me. I just want to make this video to show myself. I didn't stay in my trade long enough. It's gone past this. It's going about to the target. It's actually gone past the target. I didn't expect it to make it all the way to an R2 level, so it's gone past where I expected to go. I didn't think it would make all-time highs today, and look like it might just do that. So that's it. That's all I really want to share. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys having a great day. Hope you guys have a great week, and I'll be speaking to you here on the weekend with the weekly market review. Right Side Trader here. Have a good one. Bye.